Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to Google Drive and share them with a link. This is a simple and useful way to share documents, videos, photos, and other files with anyone online. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Search for Google Drive and open the Google Drive website, then click on Go to Drive. If you are already logged into your Google account, it will take you directly to your Google Drive. To keep your files organized, it's a good idea to create a new folder first. Click on the New button and select New Folder. Give your folder a name, such as File Sharing, and then click Create. Once the folder is created, open it. Now you can upload your files by simply dragging and dropping them into the folder. You can also click on New and choose File Upload if you prefer uploading files that way. After selecting your files, Google Drive will begin uploading them. You will be able to see the upload progress and wait until all files are completely uploaded. When your files are ready, right-click on the folder and select Share. Then click Share again to open the sharing settings. By default, only approved people can access the files. If you want anyone with the link to access them, change the setting to Anyone with the link. After changing the setting, click Copy Link. Now you can send this link to anyone, and they will be able to open and download the shared files. That's it. Now you know how to upload files to Google Drive and share them with a link easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.